gonna give Nobu's shortboard a try. How long is it again? That's my height. All right, here we go.
All right, Jack. I'm gonna try my 6'3"
This is nuts.
37 meters.
I can't even sit up on it.
You've never ridden a board this small, I don't think, have you?
That's the shortest board I've ridden, 7'2".
Oh, shit.
Yeah. I'm not used to seeing such a skinny nose. For a second. First wave attempt on this, had it for a second. That was weird. Definitely need more practice. It felt like I had blocks of ice under my feet. That was so weird feeling. I felt like I was on ice. I didn't really get my angle right, so it was just the white water, but I got up.
Yeah, you got up.
There he is. Oh. That was quick. So hard learning on a new board that's this short. The shortest I've ridden is at 7'2". Has way more volume. This is 6'3". We're getting there. Progressing slowly but surely on this 6'3". You said it's 47 liters?
37.
37, holy cow, yeah. What do you think that one is, the 7'2"?
Probably like close to 50.
Okay, yeah, jumping from about 50 liters to 37. I'm about 6'2", 6'3", tall, 200 pounds. It's a big switch. You just gotta be patient for some more. Today's been slow, but pretty fun when it does come in. And the sun's out, which is super rare for a San Diego morning. It's beautiful. Oops! Something really big popped out of the water right here, and now we're scared. Not scared enough to stop, obviously, but we did see a sea lion earlier. Hopefully it's him just checking us out, and not a...
Looking at you.
Yeah. Yeah, you're right. Nobu was just saying that this spot's known for juvenile great whites. And juvenile means 8 to 10 feet, so. Board swap again. Back to old reliable.
Right
Yeah.
I thought it was maybe close out explosion.
I mean, that's mostly what I caught. I think I got 1 or 2 force